slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the.
Good morning mga sagahamuchi.
Hi.
So ngayon, ang aga-aga namin gumising, 4 AM. Kasi, meron kami ngayong Oslob Day Tour. Malapit na kami. And mamaya, after naman nun, Sumilon Island. And then, mamaya may madadaanan kaming sindahan. Doon din kami mag-stop. So mamaya makikita nyo lahat yan. Ayun.
Bisal siya.
Kumpisal. Baka ikaw. Kailangan mo kumpisal. Hindi pa kami nag-breakfast. Ganito yung energy namin. Pero at least nakapag-makeup naman ako.
Very good.
Habang umaandar sa sasakyan. So, mamaya na lang. Bye. Lawas?
Hi guys. So nandito na kami sa Oslob. So mag whale watching. Yan. Yan. So anong kinakain nila?
Ano sir? Alamang.
Bagong.
Kaya sir, dapat dyan pag pumunta ka daw dyan, hindi ka naka-pink, baka mapagkamalang ka alamang.
Bawal ang mga lugaw ha.
Oo, bawal ang lugaw.
Ano sila? Yan na yung mga tapos ng
What?
basta tapos na. Hindi masabi, mukhang tanga.
Gago! Ayan guys, si Scaramucci. Sasakay na kami ng boat. Going to the whale shark.
Hello ma'am.
Hi guys.
Good morning sir. Tubangan ka ma'am. Kaya na ma'am. Tagalog. Dyan tayo ma'am. Bante lang tayo ma'am. Morning sir.
Good morning.
May ubak, wait lang pa. Dyan lang. Ako sana yung buyan.
Bulong-bulo yung water.
Pwede na ba ito balon?
Pwede na pa sir.
Eto.
Dyan kayo hawak ko.
Hindi. Sige, abot ko na lang sa ito.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love. Oh my god! I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind, I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it, I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I
So ayan guys,
anyone's help.
tapos na kami sa Butanding watching. So ayan guys, nandito kami sa Sumilon. Punta naman kami sa Sandbar. Ay, Kramuchi.
Magkaano ay yung sunglass mo?
Ayan. Ayan, Sumilon Island. Punta tayo dun sa island na yan. Ayan. May maganda daw na sandbar doon. Ayan. Hi guys! Sakay na kami ng bangka sa papuntang Sumilon Island. Ayan. Morning, morning.
Morning. Sige. Kamot-kamot lang sa taas.
Kamot, ya. Ayan guys, so dito kami sa bangka. Wow, yan, oh. Ganda ng tubig guys, oh. Kulay green. Ayan guys, dito na kami sa Sumilon Island.
Yay!
Si Sandbar.
Dito tayo.
Ayan. And that's the island of Cebu.
Parang naano pa pala yung kantang ano, that's the island of
Ah.
Ilan daw?
And that's the end of Magellan in the island of Mactan.
Putak ina mo, ginagawa mo.
Ayan guys, gonna go back to the mainland.
Hindi nabawasan na yung sandbar.
Wala na. Ano na yan, no? Nagkakapitik na.
Nilalagyan na ng tubig.
So, pwede na go back.
So, nandito Nandito naman kami ngayon after Sumilon Island, Cartel Oslo. Yan, hindi daw to natapos na simbahan. And build siya galing sa coral. Ayan naman, oh. Oh. Galing, no? Coral, isipin nyo. Oh. Coral na.
Paano masabi?
Luma na din naman siya, guys. Kaso may pagka baka lang siyang bago nga siya nire-renovate. Nice lang daw talaga nila. Immaculate Conception. Sport naman. Oh, ganda, ah.
Galing ah, parang ano.
Lawak.
Bawal mang isda dito, ma'am.
Oh,
Pero ito.
eh di ang dami isda dyan kasi bawal
Mang
mag-isda.
isda, ma'am. Pwede mang isda, sir, yung mga ano yun.
Nam-
Mamala lang. Pero
Ah.
hindi
Tapos yung
pwede
namimiss, yung ano,
Ah,
pang
ganun,
fishing,
no?
ano.
Pero
ba?
yung mga bangka, ma'am, hindi. Kasi protected area siya.
Ay,
Sa mga protected
pakalinis
area.
nga, ah. Oh,
Yes po.
ayun nga, ganda nga, sisid-sisid, no.
Sisid lang sila.
Ganda nga dito.
Nakikita niyo, ma'am, yung tubig dito sa kanina.
Ay, mababaw lang din. Kaso lang mabato, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ang ganda naman pala dito.
Eh, ma'am, buhol na yan.
Oo. Bohol, parang sa
Ayun, ma'am,
Cagayan.
nakikita mo
Tanaw yung Kamigin.
Yung ano yun, ma'am, yung bangka na yun. Yun ang papuntang buhol.
Ah,
Nasakay ka dyan.
parang ganun lang din pala.
Yes, ma'am.
Tapos 3K ano?
Yes, ma'am. Sobra kasing layo niya, ma'am. Mga 3 oras ang biyahe.
Wala naman pang tumataob dyan.
Wala naman. Eh, sir, yung bangka na yun.
School.
Ah, so yan. Eskwela Katolika.
Oh. Lumang school. 1940. Isipin mo.
1940. So,
Oo.
hindi pa nagigera, sir.
Ah, 1940.
So, after nung sa school, eto naman, pangatlo sa pinakamatandang simbahan sa buong Pilipinas.
So, dito tayo pa-picture ko sa may ano. Ay,
Sita Carta. Mga paring Agustino, sir. Mga 1599.
oh. Sabi ko na.
A few moments later.
So, pwede palang pumasok.
Ano na to? Kaibigan ko kasi nung pare yung may-ari. Parang kapamilya nung pare dati. So, tatanggalin niya. So, makikita niyo sa ring sign. Ang mga nagtayo nito is Freemason. Nung araw kasi ang Freemason, hindi pa sila Antichrist. Naniniwala sila sa Diyos, pero hindi sila naniniwala kay Kristo. Kasi si Kristo daw tao. So, nung araw, sila yung mga builder of gods.
Ayan. Papasok tayo, guys. Oh, ang laki ah.
Ayan pa siya.
Grabe to. 90% original pa to lahat. Isipin nyo. Anong year to, be?
1600.
Oh, ha?
1599.
Ayun nga.
1599?
Oo, isang taon na lang, parang 1600.